Hi folks, it is time for science. So this is your screencast for Wednesday, April 1st. The whole goal for today is to review DNA and protein synthesis. Today your job is to submit your DNA and protein synthesis roadmap, and we'll talk about what that looks like. So to submit that assignment, you are going to have to go into the Google Classroom, and there's a couple of different ways in which you can submit your assignment. Number one, you can take a look at the left side here where it has the upcoming and due Wednesday is this assignment. You click on that, it'll take you to the assignment. You can also scroll down on the stream and find where I posted it down here, which is not the best way, but if it works for you, it works for you. Last way is to just look in the classwork category, and under DNA and protein synthesis, you'll see both of the assignments for the week, including the DNA and protein synthesis roadmap. I'll move myself over and you'll go ahead and see that it is due at 11:59 p.m. So you have some time to finish it even after you've done that attendance question. Remember, attendance questions will close down at 4 p.m. so make sure to get that done before anything else. So turning in the DNA and protein synthesis roadmap is pretty straightforward. I'll go to view assignment right here. Obviously, I have my little teacher view. You're going to have your student view, but your instructions should look something like this, where I just talk about, hey, you know how to do the roadmaps, turn them in. When you submit your work, it should give you some options to either submit as a Google document and just upload that if you've been already working on a digital copy. But otherwise, if you have been working on a hard copy, it's totally okay to upload some photos, or even stick those photos into a Word document and upload that document. You all are tech savvy. I know you can figure it out. But if you are having troubles and if you have questions, please feel free to let me know during office hours, class time, or by sending me an email. I'm always available to help and happy to give you assistance as we figure out this new platform. So, those are the only two things to do today. Make sure you take that attendance quiz by 4 and then submit your DNA and protein synthesis roadmap by midnight. Best of luck, and we will see you again soon. Bye!